Hey everyone, I am Dan DeCloss, founder of PlexTrac, and today I'm really excited to share some big news with you all. PlexTrac has officially been named a niche player in the latest Gartner Magic Quadrant for Exposure Assessment Platforms, also known as EAP. Now, you might be wondering, what is an EAP? In simple terms, it's a new product category defined by Gartner to help organizations with their continuous threat exposure management platforms and capabilities. So continuous threat exposure management is also known as CTEM, and at its core, CTEM is about finding and discovering vulnerabilities, aggregating all of those from all of your different tool sources and sources of risks, as well as then being able to prioritize what matters most and making sure that those issues are actually getting fixed. So this is a long problem we've always had in security, and PlexTrac has known that this has been an issue for our customers and for the market in general for a long time. So we feel being named in the Magic Quadrant truly validates the path that we've been on, and that is building a platform that unifies the entire vulnerability management lifecycle, from discovery all the way to remediation. It's especially exciting to be recognized alongside some of the biggest and most established vendors in the space as well. But what makes PlexTrac different is where we come from. Our roots have always been in penetration testing and management around the life cycle of those proactive security assessments. It's the foundation that has shaped everything that we do and will continue to be that foundation. At PlexTrac, we built PlexTrac to operationalize all of the proactive and manual assessments to make the work of the pen testers and the security assessment teams more streamlined, as well as to improve the life of the security teams that they're supporting, helping those teams be faster, easier to manage results, and have a deeper impact on their security posture over time. So from the very beginning, PlexTrac has always been built on three core principles. One, penetration testing is critical. Penetration testing shows you what is truly exploitable in the environment and highlights everything that actually could lead your organization to a breach. Executives and stakeholders are going to listen to the pen testing teams and their results because they've just bypassed everything that they've invested in from a security controls perspective. And they also bring real world insight into how attackers are thinking and behaving. So this is the foundation that we've always built on, and this is why it's so important to continue to highlight that data as part of the CTEM story. Secondly, findings that are identified isn't enough. You actually have to go and fix the issues that have been reported. And that's why from the very beginning, we at PlexTrac have always focused on facilitating that tracking and remediation lifecycle. We have always aimed at helping you identify who owns the issue. How do we prioritize what's most important? Are we actually making progress over time? These questions are always what have been at the core of what we've been trying to answer. And then thirdly, you do need a single place for all of your security data. Vulnerabilities don't just come from manual assessments. They come from vulnerability scanners. They come from code scanners, risk assessments. All sorts of different proactive security activities are happening on a daily basis, and you need a way to centralize all that information to truly have visibility into what to work on and how to prioritize those issues. So PlexTrac itself helps unify that data across all the different sources and all the different teams to bring a single source of collaboration and validation so that nothing falls through the cracks. So this is why we're really excited about Gartner's recognition of PlexTrac within the EAP category, because we do feel it shows that it validates the journey that we've been on. It shows that the challenges we've been solving for years are now at the forefront of how industry is thinking about security. We've known that this problem has always existed, and we will always stay committed to the penetration testing data as being a core principle for how you will manage your CTEM lifecycle. So looking ahead, we'll continue to double down on automation, collaboration, deeper actionable insights, and prioritization of the findings that are coming from all sources. Penetration testing will continue to remain the core of what we do because it drives everything else in the CTEM lifecycle and helps truly make the case for the validation and prioritization stories. So to all the security teams out there, whether you're just getting started in CTEM or looking to mature your program, let PlexTrac be your force multiplier. We will help you in this journey. And what I'd also like to say is to our current customers, as well as our team members, thank you for helping us get this far. It's truly a validation point for us and our journey, and we couldn't have done it without you. So thank you, and we're excited to continue this journey with you. Now, let's go celebrate.